Hi, my name is Nicholas. Alright, so it's actually my first time joining a class like this, which is a full stack development course. And actually, I'm from a non-tech background. I'm from an aviation background, but it's a total difference what I'm doing here. I want to learn more about full stack, and I did a lot of research online. And I came across that lead gave a lot of very good course layout and etc. So what I did was I decided to join, and it's only a 4 days class, but I will say that when I got the online modules, everything was very detailed, though I didn't understand much. But now at the end of the 4th day, I will say that I have already got a basic understanding. I've even learned more. Actually, never imagined that I could do some things I did in these 4 days. So I'll recommend anyone, even though with no background, because I'm from no background at all, to really come and join the Lead 360.